Find the equation of the line given the slope and y-intercept. So, i-recall natin that the slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So, pag ganito ang given, ang gagawin lang natin is to plug in the values. Yun ang equation. So, y is equal to, instead of writing m, so sulat natin itong 3. So, 3, tapos may x doon. Ibig sabihin, yung may x, ito yung may slope, yung slope. Kung ano man yung sign ng y-intercept, yun yung magiging sign dito. So, yung 1/2, ang sign is positive, so magiging plus 1/2. And that's it. Next, negative 4/5 ang slope, and then the y-intercept is 0. So, ganun pa rin, plug in. Instead of writing m, we are going to write 4/5 and then x. Tapos, plus 0. So, hindi na natin isusulat. Ito na yun. Y is equal to negative 4/5 x. In this case, yung slope naman ng 0. Ibig sabihin, horizontal yung ating line. Tapos, yung y-intercept is negative 6. Ano magiging equation natin? So, y is equal to, since walang slope, magiging 0x yan eh. And 0 times x is also 0. So, hindi natin niya susulat. So, ibig sabihin, negative 6. Y is equal to negative 6. Kung sa graph kasi yan, ibig sabihin, ito yung negative 6. Diyan lang siya. Yan. 0 ang slope, horizontal. So, dumaan lang siya sa negative 6. The slope is 2/3. Y-intercept is negative 1/3. So, y is equal to 2/3 x minus 1/3. Yan. Hindi na kailangan mag-overthink ka. Sabi ko sa mga estudyante ko, no need to overthink. Kasi pag nag-overthink ka, minsan, mas magkakamali ka pa eh. Ganun lang siya kadali. Samantalay na natin na ganito lang kadali yung topic. For your turn, the slope is 0 and the y-intercept is 4. What is the equation? Comment your answer. Thank you.